This is a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. All of the following features are included: keyless ignition, a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, side impact airbags, dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Lynn Smith Chevrolet in Burleson invites you to be a guest at our dealership and experience the finest new and used Chevrolet models Burleson has to offer. Visit us at 925 North Burleson Boulevard or online at lynnsmithchevy.com. Our friendly and experienced staff is ready to help you find the perfect car, SUV, or truck.